The MSc Project Management help develop the learner's knowledge, understanding and skills required to deal with the complexities of leadership and strategic management in a business context, to develop their ability to lead change in organizations. All MSc programs create leaders. At London School of Planning and Management, we create change makers. The change makers are the ones who create opportunities, in form of entrepreneurs, innovators, business leaders and policy makers.
The program focuses on the skills, competencies and knowledge necessary for individuals working in today's global business environment. We focus on enhancing your understanding of people, power, politics and systems and help you in gaining new analytical skills to identify and solve business problems. You can study this MBA over 12 or 18 months. All students follow the same core program. The program will give you a thorough grounding in key areas of business, such as leadership, strategy, managing teams, change management and finance.
Our flexible online MSc offers a transformational learning experience that allows you to study in your own time, at your own pace.
These qualifications are designed for learners who are typically aged 21 and above.
To be eligible, you should have a bachelor's degree, or an equivalent professional qualification.
Learners who do not hold a degree or equivalent qualification can also apply if they have 5 years or more of management experience.
Businesses can't keep running as usual, and you're the one who's going to change it.
Chat with our admissions team. Visit our website today.